In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single leg hip thrust on a stability ball. Now, this would be the progression of doing this on something like a bench or alternatively the floor, because you're going to have more balance and stability required when you're on the stability ball. Now, this exercise is fantastic in particular because we're doing one leg at a time. It allows us to be aware of any muscular imbalances between each leg, and also helps to reduce those over time as we get stronger on each independent leg. Now, the main muscle here worked is your glutes and hamstrings, and how to get into your start position is you're going to sit upright on the stability ball. I'm going to start to walk away, and you'll notice I'm transitioning the ball from my glutes to my lower back, and now to my lower and mid back. From this position, for a beginner, what I would do is I'd start them off with having their hands on the floor, feet together, and I want the heels underneath the knee. And because they've got their hands on their floor, it allows them just to start to get used to the exercise as they bring their hips down and then thrust their hips up towards the ceiling. As I come down, I'll be breathing in, and as I come up, breathing out. Now, as somebody starts to get more confident, what they can do is they can either have their hands to the side or they can have their hands on their chest. You're going to find that different alternative variations of where you put the hands are going to make the exercise far harder, because we can use the hands for additional support for stability. So if I put my hands out to my sides, I would do exactly the same cues, bring one knee up, get my stabilization, and from here, come down with the hips, breathing in, and breathing up, breathing in, and squeezing my glutes as hard as I can at the top of the motion. Once you're done, bring both feet on the floor, start to walk back, and you can return back to your start position. If you have got one side that's weaker than the other, I'd always start off with that weaker side first, then go to your stronger side. And of course, you're looking to do your required amount of repetitions on both sides, unless you've got an imbalance where you might want to do more reps on that weaker side.